Axiomtek. Since 1990, Axiomtek has been at the forefront of industrial and embedded computing technologies, innovation, and manufacturing. Our success is because of our people who continue striving to develop and contribute. Our desire to deliver well-rounded, easy-to-integrate solutions to customers, and our global network to lead the way in promoting innovation. With a 30-year history of responsible operations and ongoing innovation, Axiomtek is committed to implementing new technologies to key markets, maintaining the expertise our customers need, and providing customer-centric design-in services to transform concepts and ideas into reality. Our passion for innovations motivates us to build solutions for tomorrow. Our success will be continued by our ability to leverage emerging technologies and serve our key markets with innovatively designed solution packages of hardware and software. Our commitment to excellence will always remain steadfast. Axiomtek provides comprehensive AIoT-ready embedded solutions from the device level to applications. It has always been our endeavor to continuously develop new products to keep pace with AIoT evolution. We are ready to fly with you. We are Axiomtek.